Good morning, students. Today's revision class we are going to discuss about CPU scheduling algorithms. So totally there are 6 types of process scheduling algorithms. The first one is FCFS. So FCFS stands for first to come, first to serve. First to come, first to serve algorithm. And second one is shortest job first, SJF. SJF stands for shortest job first. And third one is SRT. Okay, so SRT is already both are similar. Third one is shortest remaining time algorithm. And fourth one is priority. So priority will be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So based on the priority, you're going to schedule the process. The fourth one is priority scheduling. Fifth one is
Excuse.
round robin. Round robin scheduling. The last one, sixth one is multi-level. So multi-level queue scheduling. Multi-level queue scheduling. So first we are going to see about the first scheduling, that is FCFS. Okay, so first we are going to see about the first one, FCFS algorithm, and we'll see a example. Okay, so mostly you get a problem on this. Okay, so they'll give you a process, arrival time and burst time. They'll ask you to find out the turnaround time and the average waiting time. Okay, so first you're going to take the process will be given, and the arrival time, AT is arrival time and BT is the burst time. So both will be given to you. So from this you are going to draw the Gantt chart, and then you have to go into find out the average waiting time and average turnaround time. Now see the process P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. Arrival time is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The burst time is 4, 3, 1, 2 and 5. So now we are going to see about, in this first we are going to find out the average waiting time and turnaround time. So these two we are going to find out, and the Gantt chart. So basically you'll get 13 mark on this question. Okay, so all FCFS, SJF, priority, round robin. So all these 4 combined together will get 13 mark. So in this video we're going to see about FCFS or alone FCFS. So first how to draw the Gantt chart. So basically you students did well in the unit test, but you have to concentrate more on the problematical part in the operating system. So first for FCF, first come first serve process. So first P1 will be allocated in this cell. Okay, so now after this P1, next is P2 because arrival time is 1. Okay, so P2. So next P3 because of 2. Okay, so next P4 3, next P5 is 4. So first you are going to take the burst time. The burst time is, so start with 0. Okay, so 0 to 4. So next P2 next add 3, 7. Next 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And then 10 plus 5 will be 15. Now we are going, next step we are going to calculate the waiting time. So how do you calculate the waiting time? So already we have studied this, so you will be aware of this, but just you have to just this class is about the revision of this. Okay, now P1. So P1 is, you have to take the number to the left side. For P2 is 4, P3 is 7, P4 is 8, P5 is 10. So first put the numbers. For P1 it is 0. So P2 it is what for P2 it is 4. You have to take P2 left. Okay, so P3 left. P3 left is 7. And P4 it is 8. P5 what? P5 it is 10. Then subtract with the arrival time. You have to subtract with the given arrival time. Okay, so for P1 is 0. P2 arrival time is 1. 7 minus 2. 8 minus 3 and 10 minus 4. Okay, so now what is 0 minus 0? 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 2, it is 5. Next you calculate next one. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 10 minus 4 it is 6. So you have to give the unit. Unit should be in milliseconds. Everything milliseconds. Now you are going to calculate the average. Average equal to sum divided by number of quantities. Okay, so now average waiting time is the sum 3 plus 5. Okay, 0 plus 3 plus 5 plus, okay, 5 plus 6. So what is the sum? The sum will be 10, 16 and 19. Okay, the sum is 19 divided by 5. So what is 19 divided by 5? What is the answer? 5 3s are 15. So 15 4. So answer is 3.8 milliseconds. So this is you'll be aware of this. Okay, if you do this FCFS correctly, you will get the total mark for this. Marks will be at 4 marks for this FC. So 4 marks for SJF, 4 marks for power. So mark will be allocated based on your. So 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 you get. So now how do you calculate? The next one is you are going to calculate the turnaround time. So how to calculate the turnaround time? So what turnaround time already you know, this is similar to the waiting time. So P1 completed. So before waiting time we have seen the left, but for you have to see the completed process in P1. Completing at 4. So next 4 minus 0, it is 4. Okay, so next P2. So where is P2 completing? Completing at 7. So 7 minus 1, it is 6. Now P3, where is P3 completed? Completed at 8. So 8 minus 2, again it is 6. Now next P4. P4 where it is completed? Completed at 10. So 10 minus 3, 7. Now P5. Where is P5 completed? P5 is completed at 15. So 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. So now your next step is average turnaround time. Average turnaround time is add everything. 6 plus 6 how much? 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 plus 11 27. 27 plus 7 34. So 34 is the total. So 34 by 5 will give you average turnaround time. So that is 5 6 are 30. So 6.8 milliseconds. Okay, so this is the wait. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the average waiting time, and this is the average turnaround time. So in this tutorial we saw about FCFS. So the next tutorial we'll see about SJF. Thanks for listening.